Are you looking for a cell phone repair service? Well, you've come to the right place. Big Al's Cellular Repair in DeSoto, Texas, since 1997, has been providing solutions that big companies can't. In fact, we were the first cell phone repair shop in DeSoto serving Dallas and surrounding communities. As an independent business, we strive to keep your cell phone in peak operating condition while catering to your budget. Expect to find affordable cell phone repair and tablet repair at Big Al's. We are experts in repairing all makes and models. Come on in today and we will solve your problem. Proudly serving DeSoto, Dallas, Lancaster, Duncanville, Cedar Hill, Texas, and surrounding communities. Call or stop by today.